Hello friends, you are watching channel number Collage. This is my sincere effort to help you understand basic mathematics in a simple and easy manner. In this third lecture on vectors, we will discuss scalar product or dot product, angle between two vectors, projection of one vector on the line of action of the other vector. We will discuss product of vectors. There are two types of vector product. Number one, scalar product, which is also called as dot product. Scalar product is always a scalar or a plane number. Number two, vector product, which is also called cross product. Vector product is always a new vector. First, let's talk about scalar product, which is also called as dot product. If a bar and b bar are two vectors, a bar and b bar, and theta is the angle between a bar and b bar, then scalar product of a bar and b bar is a bar dot b bar equals mod a bar multiplied by mod b bar cos theta, or simply a b cos theta, where theta lies between 0 and pi. Similarly, scalar product of b bar and a bar is b bar, a bar, and theta is the angle between them. B bar dot a bar equals mod b bar multiplied by mod a bar cos theta, or simply ba cos theta, which is nothing but a b cos theta, or which is a bar dot b bar. So we can say that a bar dot b bar is same as b bar dot a bar. If a bar and b bar are two parallel vectors, angle between them will be 0, and we know that cos 0 is 1. So a bar dot b bar will be ab cos 0, which will be ab, which implies if a bar and b bar are two parallel vectors like this, or collinear vectors like this, then their scalar product is AB. If a bar and b bar are two perpendicular vectors, then angle between them is 90 degrees. We know that cos 90 is 0. So a bar dot b bar will be ab cos 90, which will be 0, which implies if a bar and b bar are two perpendicular vectors like this, then their scalar product is 0. And conversely, we can say that when the scalar product of two vectors is 0, then they are perpendicular vectors. We will see what happens in the scalar product of the same vector twice. When we take the same vectors, the angle between them will be 0. For example, a bar dot a bar will be a times a cos 0 degrees, because the angle between the two same vectors will be 0 degrees. So it will be a square times 1 because cos 0 is 1. So a bar dot a bar will be a squared. Similarly, b bar dot b bar will be b squared. C bar dot C bar will be C square, etc. Here A squared, B squared, C squared are all scalars or plane numbers. Let us see scalar product of I cap, j cap, k cap. First, I cap dot I cap, which will be I square cos 0 degrees because the angle between the same two vectors is 0 degrees. So it will be 1 squared because the magnitude of I cap is 1 times 1 because cos 0 is 1. So it will be 1. So I square I cap dot I cap will be 1, where I cap is a unit vector along the axis OX. Similarly, j cap dot j cap will be j square cos 0 degrees, which will be 1 square dot 1 because j being the unit vector, its magnitude will be 1 and cos 0 is 1, so it will be 1. Therefore, j cap dot j cap will be 1. This is j cap, unit vector along the axis OY. And k cap dot k cap will be k squared cos 0 degrees. K being unit vector, its magnitude will be 1. So k squared will be 1 squared and cos 0 is 1. So it will be 1. So k cap dot k cap will be 1, where k cap is unit vector along the axis OZ. Now we will see the dot product between I cap dot j cap. It will be I dot j cos 90 because the angle between I cap and j cap will be 90 degrees and cos 90 is 0 degrees. So I dot j cos 90 will be 0. That is, I cap dot j cap will be 0. Similarly, j cap dot k cap, j cap, k cap. Now the angle between j cap and k cap will be 90 degrees. So its dot product will be j dot k cos 90 degrees. Cos 90 is 0, so this product will be 0. So we get j cap dot k cap equals 0. And finally, k cap dot I cap will be k I cos 90, which will also be 0. Let's understand projection of A bar on B bar. Let A bar equals OA bar and B bar equals OB bar. Theta be the acute angle between A bar and B bar. Draw a perpendicular AM on the line of action of B. OM will be OA dot cos theta by simple trigonometry. OM will be OA cos theta. OA is magnitude of vector A bar, which is mod A bar, which is simply A. So OM will be A cos theta. Here OM is called projection of A bar on B bar, which is A cos theta. Now we will write A cos theta as AB cos theta divided by B. Here we multiply numerator and denominator by B. Now AB cos theta is nothing but A bar dot B bar. So we have projection of A bar on B bar equals A bar dot B bar upon B. We will see projection of A bar on B bar when angle between A bar and B bar is obtuse. Let A bar equals OA bar and B bar equals OB bar. Theta be the obtuse angle between A bar and B bar. Draw a perpendicular AM on the line of action of B bar. In right triangle AMO, angle AOM equals pi minus theta. By simple trigonometry, OM will be OA cos pi minus theta. But cos of pi minus theta is minus cos theta. So OM will be minus OA cos theta. So minus OM will be OA cos theta. Now OM is length of segment OM. So which will be, and since length is always positive, we will write minus OM as simply OM. OA will be magnitude of A bar, which will be mod A bar. We will write mod A bar as simply A, so OM will be A cos theta. Now we have seen OM is nothing but projection of A bar on B bar, which will be A cos theta. Now here we will write A cos theta as AB cos theta upon B. We have multiplied numerator and denominator by B. Now we know that AB cos theta is A bar dot B bar, because A bar dot B bar is AB cos theta. So projection of A bar on B bar will be A bar dot B bar upon B. What will be projection of B bar on A bar? Let B bar equals OB bar and A bar equals OA bar. Theta be the angle between A bar and B bar. Draw a perpendicular BM on the line of action of A bar. OM will be, by simple trigonometry, OM will be OB cos theta. OB will be magnitude of B bar, that is mod B bar, which we can simply write B. So OM will be B cos theta. But OM is nothing but the projection of B bar on A bar, which is B cos theta. Now we will write B cos theta as AB cos theta upon A by multiplying numerator and denominator by A. But we know that AB cos theta is nothing but A bar dot B bar. Therefore, projection of B bar on A bar will be A bar dot B bar upon A. What will be scalar product of vectors A bar and B bar, where A bar is A1 I cap plus A2 j cap plus A3 k cap, and B bar is B1 I cap plus B2 j cap plus B3 k cap. A bar dot B bar gives us product of A bar dot B bar. Next we write A1 I cap multiplied by the whole bracket plus A2 j cap multiplied by the whole bracket plus A3 k cap multiplied by the whole bracket. Next, it will be A1 B1 I squared plus A1 B2 IJ plus A1 B3 IK plus A2 B1 IJ plus A2 B2 J squared plus A2 B3 J cap K cap plus A3 B1 I cap K cap plus A3 B2 J cap K cap plus A3 B3 K cap squared. Now for a dot product, we know that I cap squared equals J cap squared equals K cap squared equals 1, and IJ equals JK equals KI. I cap J cap equals J cap K cap equals K cap I cap, which is 0. So here, in place of I squared, we will write 1. In place of J squared, in place of I cap J cap, we will write 0. In place of I cap K cap, we will write 0. In place of I cap J cap, we will write 0. In place of J cap squared, we will write 1. In place of J cap K cap, we will write 0. In place of I cap K cap, we will write 0. In place of J cap K cap, we will write 0. And in place of K cap squared, we will write 1. So finally what we are left with is A bar dot B bar equals A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. So this is the dot product of two vectors A bar and B bar, which have been given in linear combination of I cap j cap and k cap. What will be the angle between two vectors a bar and b bar, where a bar is a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap, which is this vector. B bar is b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap, which is this vector. If angle between a bar and b bar is theta, we know that a bar dot b bar equals mod a bar dot mod b bar cos theta. Therefore, cos theta will be a bar dot b bar divided by mod a cap multiplied by mod b cap. Now, a bar dot b bar will be a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3. Mod a bar will be under root a1 squared plus a2 squared plus a3 squared. Mod b bar will be under root b1 squared plus b2 squared plus b3 squared. So, from this we get cos theta equals a bar dot b bar divided by under root a1 squared plus a2 squared plus a3 squared multiplied by under root b1 squared plus b2 squared plus b3 squared. So with the help of this formula, we can find angle theta between vector A and vector B. If vector A bar is minus 3 I cap plus j cap plus minus k cap and B bar is 2 I cap plus 4 j cap minus 2 k cap, then we have to find A bar dot B bar and we have to interpret the result. Here A bar dot B bar will be A bar dot B bar, which will be minus 3 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 4 plus minus 1 multiplied by minus 2. This will be minus 6, this will be 4 and this will be 2, which works out to be 0. So A bar dot B bar equals 0. Since the dot product is 0, we say that A bar is perpendicular to B bar. A bar is perpendicular to B bar. If A bar equals 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus 4 k cap, B bar equals 3 I cap plus j cap plus 2 k cap, C bar equals minus 2 I cap minus j cap plus 5 k cap, and D bar equals 4 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 5 k cap. These are the position vectors of the points A, B, C, D respectively. Then we have to find number 1 AB bar dot CD bar, number 2 angle between AB bar and CD bar, and finally we have to interpret the result. AB bar is B bar minus A bar, that will be 3I plus j plus 2k minus 2I plus 3j minus 4k. It will be 3 minus 2I, 1 minus 3j and 2 minus 2 plus k, 2 plus 4 k. So AB bar will be I cap minus 2J cap plus 6K cap. Similarly, CD bar will be D bar minus C bar. D bar is 4I minus 2J plus 5K and C bar is minus 2I minus J plus 2K. It will be 4 minus of minus 2 will be plus 2, 4 plus 2 I minus 2 minus of minus 1, so that will be plus 1, so minus 2 plus 1 J and 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 K, so it will be 6I cap minus J cap plus 3K cap. AB bar dot CD bar will be I minus 2J plus 6K dot 6I minus J plus 3K. It will be 1 multiplied by 6 plus minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 plus 6 multiplied by 3. It will be 6 plus 2 plus 18. So AB bar dot CD bar will be 26. Mod AB bar will be under root 1 squared plus minus 2 square plus 6 square. It will be 1 plus 4 plus 36. So mod AB bar will be root 41. Next, mod CD bar will be under root 6 square plus minus 1 square plus 3 square. It will be 36, 1 and 9. So mod CD bar will be root 46. Now we have cos theta, that is the angle between AB bar and CD bar, equals AB bar dot CD bar divided by under root A1 squared plus A2 squared plus A3 squared multiplied by under root B1 squared plus B2 squared plus B3 squared. So it will be AB squared dot CD squared is 26, which is this, and under root A1 squared plus A2 squared plus A3 squared is root 41, which is this, multiplied by root B1 squared plus B2 squared plus B3 squared, which is this, and it is root 46. So from the value of cos theta we can find the value of theta. Next question, if A bar equals 4I cap plus J cap minus 3K cap, B bar equals 2I cap minus J cap minus 2K cap, we have to find number 1, the projection of A bar on B bar, and number 2, the projection of B bar on A bar. First, let us find A bar dot B bar, which is A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3, which will be 4 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by minus 1 plus minus 3 multiplied by minus 2. It will be 8 minus 1, 6, which will be 13. So A bar dot B bar is 13. Next, mod A bar will be under root 4 squared plus 1 squared plus minus 3 whole squared, which is root 26. Mod B bar will be under root 2 squared plus minus 1 squared plus minus 2 squared, which will be root 9, and that is 3. Projection of A bar on B bar. Projection of A bar on the line of action of B bar is A bar dot B bar upon B. This is OM, and A bar dot B bar is 13 and P is 3, which we have already found out. So we get projection of A bar on B bar, which is OM equals 13 by 3. Now projection of B bar on A bar will be A bar dot B bar divided by A. Projection of B bar on the line of action of A bar will be OM. Now A bar dot B bar is 13 and A is root 26. These two values we have already found out. We will rationalize the denominator. So for that we will multiply numerator and denominator by root 26. So that gives us 13 root 26 divided by 26. Now 13 2s are 26. So OM, which is the projection of B bar on A bar, will be root 26 divided by 2. So this is the projection of B bar on A bar, root 26 divided by 2. If A bar is 3i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap, B bar is I cap plus lambda j cap minus 3k cap. If these are the perpendicular vectors, then we have to find the value of lambda. Since A bar and B bar are perpendicular vectors, we have A bar dot B bar equals 0, that is, their dot product is 0. We will take dot product of A bar and B bar, which will be like this. It will be 3 multiplied by 1 plus 1 multiplied by lambda plus minus 2 multiplied by minus 3. This gives us 3 plus lambda plus 6 equals 0, and this gives us lambda equals minus 9. In the next video, we will discuss vector product or cross product of two vectors. If you like this video, please click the like button. Do subscribe this channel to get more videos like this. Share this video with your friends and relatives. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Number Collage. Thank you.